Hey everyone, is Roblox acting glitchy or slow on your Android phone? Clearing the cache and cookies can fix that. Let me show you how. Alright, so first, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Just tap that gear icon wherever it is on your phone. Once you're in Settings, look for Apps or Applications and tap on that. This shows you all the apps installed on your phone. You'll probably see a recently opened app section at the top. Tap See All Apps to view your complete app list. Now scroll through until you find Roblox and tap on it. This opens up the Roblox app information page where you can see storage, permissions, and all that stuff. Look for Storage and Cache. Should be pretty easy to spot, and tap on it. Perfect. Now you'll see two options, Clear Storage and Clear Cache. Here's the difference. Clearing cache just removes temporary files and won't log you out. Clearing storage deletes everything, including your login, so you'd have to sign in again. For most issues, just tap Clear Cache. Boom, it clears instantly. This removes all of those temporary files that might be causing problems. If you're having serious issues and clearing cache didn't help, you can also tap Clear Storage, but remember, this logs you out completely. After clearing the cache, just open Roblox again and it should run smoother. All those built-up temporary files are gone. And that's it. Quick and easy way to clear Roblox cache on your Android phone and hopefully fix any performance issues.